Welcome back, and it's going to be a quick video. I'm in a place called Kalan Park, and what you see is this course behind me. My friends built this, and they maintain it. And today, because of the old famous woodpecker, this big, huge piece of tree right here, this specimen's coming down. My buddy's going to climb to the top. He's going to remove the top part, the engine. And then there's going to be a crane coming here and lift this thing up. He's going to cut it off also. And next summer they're going to replace it with a metal pole, I would say. It's a 15-meter jump. You have a cable attached to you. You're in a harness with a helmet, and you jump off that thing, and it slows you down. It's sort of like what the British use at the parachute school. And so that's what's happening today anyway. This is my first day back in Budapest. Actually not in Budapest, I haven't gotten there yet. We're in the Balaton region. Last night I stayed in Balatonfüred, my buddy's family's house there. And it's a beautiful area. I'm gonna throw some pictures in here from last time I was here, because right next to us is a helicopter park, an aviation park. I'm gonna go visit that in a minute. Truck has arrived, and this is the pole they're going to take out. Here we're getting a first-hand view of the crane, and the guy who's the reason why, we've got a car coming around here. So this guy right here, this is Adam. We've been friends for over 20 years, I guess. And he and Zoli, and Adam is the reason why Chuck Norris doesn't come to Hungary anymore, because Adam showed him his balls, and we're going to see in a minute why Adam has big balls. And AC/DC wrote the song "Big Balls" about Adam's balls, and they're nice and shiny too. At least that's what I've heard. There's Adam right there climbing up the pole, taking the Wi-Fi cable out as he goes up. Just for my Swiss Army knife is up there with him, assisted him in taking out the cable. So that's my my job, lending him the knife. Made it to the top, almost to the top. I think you have to take off the reel that's like right there. He has to take it off. I believe he will. I'm not sure. I think he takes it off. And then I'm not sure if they'll lower it or what they'll do. They don't want to damage it. That's the most expensive part of the whole thing. And when you jump off of it, it just lets you slowly drop to the ground, and it's a controlled fall. So what he's about to do now is this big L-shaped piece right here. They've attached that so they can take it off the top, because they're not sure the weight. And then they're going to remove that piece, and then at the bottom they're going to attach again below that, and at the bottom they're going to cut it off with a chainsaw. It is a wooden, it's a red oak or something, I'm not sure what it is exactly, but it's a very dense, very heavy piece of wood, the tree is, that they used. But just right below it, you see the problem to take it off, there are woodpecker holes, and woodpeckers have damaged it so much that it's dangerous, so I have taken it down. So they're about to lift this thing up now. He's just coming down a little bit now. He's unscrewed, I don't know, between 12 and 16 heavy screws around it. Lifting. There we go. And they're lowering it now.
Beidek középre oda. Ide oda a vízpasszalóra.
Suva will be having a heyday. All protective gear. It's not being worn here.
Jó, hogyha létrád a hajlék. A létre nem? Jó. Jó, persze jön.
By the way, it's very cold out here today. Very, very cold. And Adam is praying for the next part. There's still several things to do here. Someone may be about to lose a car. Running so they can get around. Yeah, better vantage point. Oh, it's a BMW, so it's no big loss. To any of us who don't have BMWs. If that thing starts sliding, that's going to be ugly.
Gyere bács, te szeleteljed, mert lejár az érjegyünk, indítsen ezt a masinát, gyere!
Ádámnak kell a...
Akkor tegyünk ide alá egy deszkát, akkor vágjuk le, hogy ez marad, és akkor el tud menni a...
Az is el tud menni, ja. Valaki nem múlik, az birtolja.
Tegyük le essen a...